Mama, please! What's this? Mama, come back here! Mama, hey! Welcome! What is it? You're welcome, my son. What do you welcome? No. You're welcome.
He's the one I've been telling you about.
Yeah. Hey, my daughter has told me a lot of good things about you. You're welcome. Sit down. Make yourself comfortable. I'm coming. Let me go and bring something. Would you make him? Mama. I do go. Mama. Sit with him, eh? Nah. Make yourself comfortable, oh? Hey! No!
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm fine.
Okay. You, You didn't even ask me what I've been telling my mom about you.
Oh.
Big man, beautiful big man.
It's surprising how everyone in this village thinks that you're Nonso's father, including my mother. But I won't blame them because you act like you are.
See, let me tell you. I don't care what people say. What you call me is Azwan Okawan of nobody. I don't care what people say. They can say whatever they like. It will not affect the way I feel about this beautiful boy. See, let me tell you. I could remember the day your mother came here, dragging you, said that you are my goose on higher purchase. I didn't care. Let them say, as far as it will not make anybody to call this boy bastard. I say, Mkochiri.
I don't even want to think about what happened that day. I went through the most difficult time of my pregnancy.
See, Amara. You are my friend. And I have been telling you secret of mine. Everything that is secret about me, I've been telling you. Is it not time for you to tell me who is the father of this boy? Let me know my problem. My problem is that. But you have been hiding it from me. If there's anybody in this world that's supposed to know what is going on, who is the father of this boy, and any who in your life, I should be the one. You are hiding it from me, and people are accusing me. I don't care. Let them accuse me.
In the BC, I'm sorry I put you through all of this. If I have my way, I would wish for you to be Nonso's father. Because you're a good person.
See, wishes has passed. If wishes are horses, vulcanizers like me will ride horse. Do you understand? So those times have passed. You don't have to remember it.
I don't want to talk about anything about it. I don't even want to remember it. When the time is right, I will tell you.
I have to go now. I will see you some other time. Let me have it.
Are you angry?
I'm not. I just have to go. Sorry.
Because you are leaving your apart for me.
Let me have it.
Oh, you know,
I will see you some other time, please.
Amara.
I will see you some other time.
Amara, are you angry because of what I said? Everybody was accusing me because they said I impregnated you. It's alright. I don't go with you. I will think it's like I will find my way. Amara. Just like that she's going. Amara ma wear pants here. Amara wear pants green Amara. I wear pants red. Amara wear brace. I don't know. People are accusing me. I took it. Amara is hiding things from me.
Let me go and do this plate.
Mama.
Thank you, Mama.
How is the food?
Oh, very well. Very
Mama.
nice.
Tony has something to tell you.
Tony, what do you want to tell me?
Talk.
Mama, the thing is, You have such a wonderful family. I must say the hospitality is really, really top notch. See, your daughter and I have known each other for some months now, you know. She's a very good girl. No doubt you brought up a kind and hardworking woman. So I have come to, you know, do the right thing. I have come to formalize this relationship. I want to marry her.
My son, this is a good news. The desire of every woman is to see their female children get married. But I'm sure both of you discussed this and come up with this decision.
Right, Mama. Both of us agreed to it. And that's why we came together. And I really do love him.
Then you have my consent. 100%. Abugo.
Thank you, Mama. Thank you. I love him so much.
It's okay.
My baby sister.
You? What are you doing here?
Amara, what has come over you? What's come over you? Why?
This man is a beast. Amara. He's a demon. He has no conscience.
Amara, what is your problem? What is your problem, Amara? Do you both know each other? Do you know her? Amara, come back here. Amara! Amara, what happened between you two? Huh? Who is he to you? Amara, answer me, I'm talking to you. Who is he? Do you know him? What is so difficult for you to say? Answer me, I'm talking to you. Who is he to you? Do you know him?
Yes.
And what happened? What is so difficult for you to talk? What is so difficult for you to say? Talk to me. I am your mother. Amara Chukwu. I am your mother. Talk to me. What happened between you two?
Do you know my sister?
Yeah. She was my domestic staff.
So? What about that? Why would she speak to you in that manner? Why was she rude to you? Yes, you were once her boss, so what? Why would she speak to you in that manner? Amara! Amara, what was the meaning of that? I am talking to you. What was the meaning of that? Why would you speak to Tony in that manner? He is my fiancé. Do you want to know? Oh yes, I want to know.
You really want to know?
Yes! Yes!
That beast! That bloody animal! That demon!
Hey! Hold it right there. That man in there is my fiancé. So stop with the name calling.
He's Nonso's father!
Hey! Hey, what? I am an... You are
are nothing but a liar. Liar! That's what you are. That's who you are. You are a liar.
I'm saying the truth. He's not So's father. He forced himself on me.
What's taking Oga this long? He usually doesn't stay out. I just hope he's not in trouble.
Now where you was sneaking as if you be thief? Are you a thief? What did they inside that bag?
Oga asked me to bring this back to him, so I just want to go to the junction and give him the bag.
Oga who? Amara, are you sure?
Wait, I don't even understand. Why are you even asking me questions? See, I will tell Oga you're the one delaying me. You know what he will do.
I want to see that bag. I want to know what's inside that bag.
You want to see what is as what? Look at this stupid gate man.
Amara!
If you like, don't lock the gate. Amara! You better lock the gate.
See this girl, oh. I dey suspect this girl for this compound. I dey suspect this girl. So no problem. Okay, no problem. This one will get and waka when they waka for this compound. I go see him. No problem.
I left because I was ashamed. I felt so dirty and used. I couldn't imagine myself waking up every day to behold the face of the man that took my virginity away forcefully.
Hey!
Please, I'm deeply sorry. I didn't know when it happened. I was drunk that night. But I searched everywhere for her. I searched everywhere so I can apologize for what I did. But there was nowhere to find her. I didn't know what came over me.
You are sorry. You raped my sister! Tony!
I'm not proud of my actions. I'm ready to do anything. I'm ready to do anything for her to make up for it.
And what about your son? What? Yes, son! She took him the night you raped her. That boy is your biological child. Tell me, what do I do? Tell me, what do I do? What do you expect me to do? What did you do? What did you do? Oh my God!
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do.
So say, madam, can you please wait outside? I'm with someone.
No, that's my mom.
For this confidential matter, unless you want to around.
Of course, go ahead.
Okay, like I said, we will do our best to stop the bleeding. By God's grace, she will be fine. Just that she may not be able to conceive again. The effect of the drug she took during her first pregnancy affected her womb.
Are you joking?
Wait a minute. Doctor, do you mean she will never conceive and give birth to her own child?
Exactly.
What? I can't leave her. I can't. I love her.
Love doesn't count here. It's your future we are talking about. And that of the family.
Mama, how could you be so callous? Have you forgotten? I am responsible for that girl's predicament. I made her lose her womb. How can you tell me not to marry her? After everything she went through?
Anthony, I'm not asking you to leave her.
Then what are you saying?
If you love her that much, you can keep her as your mistress. But get a woman that will give you children.
Mama, can you listen to yourself?
Do you want your father's lineage to close?
How can my father's lineage close? This is a jet age, Mama. This is a new modern age. We can get pregnant. There are ways, different ways to get pregnant. Different ways. We can even adopt.
I forbid you. You will never do such thing. Not while I'm still alive.
Mama, please, can you reason? It's obvious you're not going to listen to me. And I'm not going to talk about this again. I'm tired.
Really? And I will never accept that witch as my daughter-in-law. That's final. Oh, you want to run? You want to run as usual, right? You go ahead and run. But let me tell you, you can never run away from the truth. My children, what has happened has happened. What are we going to do? What is the way forward now?
Mama, I will never forgive that man for what he did to me. I don't think I will ever do.
Amara Chukwu. What the young man is asking for is your sister's hand in marriage. What do you want us to do?
Mama, I do not care. She can go ahead and marry that beast if she so wish. But I would never change my mind on this. I will never forgive him.
Amara, you have... Nothing will make me to change my mind on this.
If you so desire of him, if your body is itching so much to be with him, you can go ahead and marry him. But I will never change my mind on this. Mama, let me have my son.
Amara, easy. Easy with it, baby, now.
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know.
I'm so worried. These days I barely sleep. I have been thinking a whole lot.
Okay. Just relax, okay? Let me go get you a cup of tea to cool your nerves.
Mama, that is not what I need.
What is it?
Do you remember my domestic staff that I told you left a few months ago?
What about her?
She had a baby for me.
It's a guinea.
Hey! Onye na-eme mekwara m ọzọ. Did I hear you right? Onye na-eme mekwara m ọzọ.
Mama, please, no, not now, okay? I'm confused.
What is confusing you? Anthony, this is good news.
She's Ujunwa's younger sister.
Onye na-eme mekwara m ọzọ.
And so? Listen, we are going to pay her bride price right away. No wasting time. Please, our bride cannot stay outside.
Pay whose bride price?
Her bride price, of course.
She's Ujunwa's younger sister, Mama. What about Ujunwa?
Ujunwa? Are you so blind to see the handwriting boldly written on the wall? Can't you see God doesn't want you to marry Ujunwa, but her sister instead? It's so clear. Oh, Anthony, you should be happy. Come on. You know what that means? You have a baby.
I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm crying day and night. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to my aid. I am crying. Lord, please come to my aid. What have I done to deserve this? My sister's here. She vowed to destroy me. Why? I can't believe this is happening to me. I am not an object of laughter. You know,
I just want us to think about this again. I don't have a problem with it. As a matter of fact, I am very happy. Children are a gift from God. I don't understand why you don't want us to do this. We are adults, and I'm going to be here for you.
Babe, yes, I agree with you. We are adults. But try and understand. This is no longer about you and I.
I don't understand what you mean. If I'm responsible for the pregnancy, then it's about you and I.
Babe, it is about my mother. This pregnancy will kill her. My younger sister just had a child outside wedlock. And now this? Hell no. Please, let me get rid of this one. Please.
You are not your younger sister. The man that is responsible for the pregnancy is telling you here that he is with you. And I'm going to marry you.
Then let's get married. First things first, let's get married. But you see this one? I can't keep it. I don't want my mother to go through the same ordeal. Please. Taking it out doesn't mean that I don't love you. Of course you know I love you. But I can't keep this one. I have to save my mother's face. My mother is a member of the CWO. I don't want to put her to shame. Please, let me take out this one.
Babe, that is a sin.
I know, but we need to do the right thing. We need to follow the due process, and that is getting married first before pregnancy. Allow me do this one. I still love you.
Fine. It's okay. Good to see you.
Mama, you've seen now. You've seen it's not been really easy. I was even surprised.
Mama!
How are you?
Good afternoon, ma.
Good afternoon, my daughter. Please sit.
Thank you.
Anthony, who is this beautiful girl?
I was going to bring her to your place, but now that both of you have met, let me do the introduction. Her name is Ujunwa.
Ujunwa.
Yes, ma'am.
Beautiful name.
Thank you, ma.
So, tell me, where are you from?
She's from our neighboring village.
Oh, really?
Yes, ma.
So close. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, ma.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
So, Ujunwa, my mother. I'm sure you've heard us.
Of course.
Where nobody for me.
See, don't mind him. We argue because he's a very stubborn boy. He refused to do what I asked him to do.
Mama, I always say, give me the right time. Give me the right time.
Anthony! Time waits for nobody. There is no right time in marriage. That is it. You think you're still a child? Age is no longer on your side.
Mama, please, let me quickly make something for you to eat. Okay?
It's fine.
Excuse me.
Wow! Tony, she's a nice girl, you know. I don't want. She's the one. Thank God I'm here. Ujunwa.
Yes, ma.
Well done.
Thank you, ma.
I can see you're really taking care of Anthony. No wonder I've not seen him in 2 weekends now.
Ma, apologies. I didn't mean to keep him away from you.
Not to worry. I'm just joking with you. I can see both of you are in love with each other. Because I've never heard Tony talk about any other woman the way he did about you.
I agree, ma. We love each other. Tony is a good man. Ma, I must commend you for raising a good man.
Thank you very much. And that's why I'm here. So now tell me, what is the delay? I mean, what is stopping you from settling down? You're a beautiful girl, in love with my son. So why not persuade him? If possible, get pregnant. Oh yes, you have my support. And trust me, I'll make him to marry you. Tell me, is there anything I need to know? No, feel free.
No, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay, let's be hopeful.
Thank you, ma. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Baby.
What, baby?
Mama is right. I mean, we love ourselves. Your business is flourishing. What are we waiting for? Can't we just get married?
You've been talking to Mama?
Yes. And is anything wrong with that? But then she's right. What are we waiting for to formalize it? Our relationship.
But baby, we have talked about this the last time. We have agreed to see your mother. Let's go on our own pace. Please.
Babe, I have good news. Guess!
What?
Oh, please do not be a killjoy. Just guess.
Babe, you know I'm not really disposable.
Okay, that's okay. That's fine. That's fine. I'll just have to let the cat out of the bag.
Really excited. Just making this hospital.
Yes, it is.
You're pregnant again?
Yes, I am.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yes.
Baby.
I am pregnant.
Just quiet and tell me what you want, and it shall be given up to you.
Okay, fine. First things first, why
Okay.
don't we go see my mother and proceed with the marriage rites?
That we must do, your lordship.
Really? Oh my god! Thank you. Oh my god.
This world is not a bed of roses. Every sweet thing's at times so has bitterness at end.
Your uncles have a hand in this. They don't want me to carry my grandchild. I don't know why they are working so hard to destroy everything your late father labored for the past 38 years.
Mama, please, this is hospital. Please. This is not the right time for this. Uju's life might be in danger in there. That is what I'm thinking here.
Oh, we're saying the same thing. It's just that you're blind from seeing the truth. Hey, those men are not to be trusted. Yes. Please, how is the baby?
How is the patient?
Please calm down. The doctor is attending to her. He will soon be here to address you.
I know, but I mean the baby. Will the baby survive?
Excuse me, ma'am.
What is wrong with all these nurses? All these nurses here, why are they behaving the same? They are so frustrated. Simple question that needs a simple answer.
Oh, Mama, can I think? You're adding to my problem. I'm stressed.
I'm stressed too. We're in the same condition. Hey, my grandchild.
Look, it's okay. It's okay. This is not the end. We can still have as much babies as we want. Okay? We're still young. Please.
Uju, how could you? How could you be so careless around the house?
Mama, please. This is not the right time to do this.
Please! If she had not slept, my grandchild would have still been alive now.
Mama, stop this thing now. So what do you want her to do now?
She was careless. She was!
Can you stop?
Stop what?
Can you stop?
Anyway, I can't sit here and watch the face of a woman that killed my first grandchild.
Mama,
I can't stand
Mama,
this.
please, you
Please
can't
excuse
go.
me.
Just go. Just go, please. Go. I don't know if you're trying to pour petrol into fire or what. Everything will be fine, okay? It's okay.
Mr. Tony, the doctor would like to see you in his office. Yeah.
Okay, come. Babe, I need to see the doctor. I'll be right back, okay?
Okay, like I said, we will do our best to stop the bleeding. By God's grace, she will be fine. Just that she may not be able to conceive again. The effect of the drug she took during her first pregnancy affected her womb.
Are you joking?
Wait a minute. Doctor, do you mean she will never conceive and give birth to her own child?
Exactly.
What?
Baby, please, what did the doctor say?
The doctor said that it's just going to...
Hey, baby, please, don't lie to me. Don't hide anything from me. Am I going to die?
No.
No. But you'll never be able to have a child.
Mama?
What is Mama? No, what is Mama?
What is wrong with you?
How do you mean?
Hey, no.
Is it true?
No.
Is it?
No, she's lying. She's lying, my life. That's a lie. Oh, it's okay.
That is what you get for being so careless. How could you? What were you thinking? A superwoman or Wonder Woman or what? Eh? Now listen, I will not allow you to ruin my son's life with your damaged mood.
Mama.
What is Mama?
I would have to ask you to leave now.
There won't be need for that, because I'm already leaving.
Please.
And as for you, Ujuma, stay away from Anthony. Mama. I suffered so much. You want to push me out?
Just leave, please.
I will not be alive and watch him marry you. Trust me on that.
Please leave.
And you.
Leave, Mama, leave.
Stop.
Bear in mind that I will always be here for you. This too shall pass. It's okay.
Uju, how long do you intend to be like this? Eh? I've told you, if Tony truly loves you, he must come back for you. Eh? Stop this. Ada.
What about Amara and Nonso? What about them?
I have invited your uncles to come and put mouths in this. As you can see, this is a delicate issue. Eh? Bikunu, stop. Uju, please talk to me. Is there something else bothering you apart from this? Because I've not seen you like this. Talk to me. I am your mother.
Mama, I'm fine.
No, you are not fine. You are not fine. This is not you, Ujuma. Talk to me. Are you hiding anything? Is there anything I'm supposed to know? Biko, talk to me. Are you pregnant?
No. Mama, I'm fine.
You are not.
Fine, Mama.
You are not fine, no. You are not fine, no. Huh? Hi. Jesus.
My name is Ezika. And this is Mado, my brother. May we know why you are here?
Okay. Thank you very much. I am Anthony's mother. My son told me that one of your daughters had a son for him. That's why we are here.
You don't understand what you're saying. You see, we have a tradition. And according to the tradition of this land, every child born in this house belongs to the family. You can't accuse us of having your child. You and your son are in the wrong place.
Please, we are peace-loving people. We are not here to argue nor claim rights. No, not at all.
That is exactly what you have just done. How dare you accuse us of having your grandson?
Che, Biko, it hasn't gotten to that. As my mother said earlier, we are peace-loving people. And we are gathered here because we want peace. Okay? So forgive the choice of word she used. It's just that we just want us to settle this amicably so that everyone will be happy. We are not troublesome. We just want us to have that understanding, and then we agree, and the rest follows. Okay? Please.
The only way you can have your son is to get married to the mother. You can't defile one and expect to marry another. After all, they are both our daughters. Okay? Yes.
I'm not trying to be selfish, okay? I'm not just here to talk about marrying the sister alone and leaving her just like that. I have decided to start up a business or anything of her choice. If she wants to go to school anywhere, abroad, anywhere, I will take care of it. If she wants to do business, any choice of business, I will do it. But getting married to her is what I can't really do. Okay? Ujunwa is the one I want to marry. She's the person I love. Just anything to make her happy, anything of her choice. Let her name it here and now, and it will be granted. But the marriage part, let's just stick it out. Because
my sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come to my aid. I'm in sorrow. Lord, please come to my aid. My life is shambles. Lord, please come to me.
Come back here. Come back here, Amarachi. Oh, Amarachi. Listen to me. You can't go on with so much anger in you. You must let go.
I have to let go. I have to let go because you want him to marry your favorite daughter, Ujunwa. Mama, tell me, if I were the person in her position, will you tell me to let go or marry the father of my son?
It is the past. He loves your sister so much, can't you see? Amarachi.
Here is my decision. If that man wants my son, Chinoso, then he will have to marry me. Period.
Amarachi!
Mama, that is my decision. Have you forgotten what you and Ujunwa did to me in this house? You frustrated my life. I went through hell because I was carrying his child. And you're here telling me this. Mama, see, don't talk to me again. Don't talk to me. I will strangle you.
My sister's hatred is getting worse day by day. I don't know what to do. Lord, please come.
We can't promise you anything for now. We will have to ask you to go. Let us first put our house in order.
Okay. We've heard what you said. But please, can I see my grandson before I leave?
I am sorry. He's still sleeping. When next you come, oh? Can we go?
It's okay.
Use this and get something. Huh?
My son and I do not need money from these people. Do the right thing.
My dear, I am sorry about this. She has been like this for a long time. Biko, oh, thank you so much.
Who wouldn't? I understand. Anthony, please come. Excuse me.
Lord, please come to my aid. My sister's hatred is getting worse. lost day by day. I don't know what.
You really think that I will marry you? Is that what you think? Is that your plan? I don't love you and I would never love you. Don't you get that?
It's obvious you have nothing sensible to say. I do not love you either. I am doing you a favor here. I'm offering you marriage because of your son.
Then you think of something more reasonable. Think of something else. Like I said before, I can start any business, I can do anything for you, but not marriage. Don't you have anything else to say?
I'm sorry. This is the best I can come up with. It's either you take it or you leave it. The boy is on your court.